Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change Wix website theme. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, log in into your Wix account, and here as you can see I have some website, and now I want to change this premium theme. So we can't directly change any theme, so all we need to create a new theme, and after that we need to assign our domain to the new theme. So as you can see, this is my premium Wix website and I want to change the theme to this one. So here I have successfully created another theme. Now I am going to assign the domain to this theme. So for that, click on this profile icon and click on domains. So here you can see the theme, current theme, and here is my domain. Now I'm going to clicking on this three dot and clicking on assign to a different site. And now from this list I'm going to selecting my new theme. Here is the new theme and I'm clicking on next and clicking on next, assign. Now I'm going to clicking on my site, go to all site. Before this was my premium theme, and here you can see I have successfully changed my theme. So this is how we can change our Wix website theme. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.